Hello friends, welcome to Azure 204, developing solutions for Microsoft Azure Lab 3, and in this lab we'll talk about Azure Storage. Okay, so the task is to retrieve Azure Storage resources and metadata by using the Azure Storage SDK for .NET. And here is the lab scenario. It says you are preparing to host a web application in Microsoft Azure that uses a combination of REST and vector graphics. As a development group, your team has decided to store any multimedia content in Azure Storage and manage it in an automated fashion by using C# code in .NET. Before you begin this significant milestone, you have decided to take some time to learn the newest version of the .NET SDK that is used to access storage by creating a simple application to manage and enumerate blobs and containers. So basically here we will be writing a .NET code, C# code to read the blob storage data from the Azure storage. Okay, so we'll divide this entire lab into 5 exercises. Exercise 1, under exercise 1 we'll go and create Azure resources. In exercise 2 we'll upload a blob into a container. In exercise 3 we'll access containers by using the .NET SDK, and in exercise 4 we'll retrieve blob uniform resource identifiers, basically URIs, by using the .NET SDK. And in the last exercise we'll clean up the resources. Okay, now before we dive into the practical session, we need to have these things in place. First of all, we need to download the GItRepo from the Microsoft Azure. We also need to have VS Code installed on the machine, and I want you guys to open this particular URL in one of your browser tab. So I'll catch you in the next video and we'll work on the exercise 1 of lab 3.